So hi guys, so today I'm going to Royal Enfield showroom because as you know that today Royal Enfield will gonna launch its most awaited bike, that is a Hunter 350. So let's go. And it is not that far from my home, so that's a good thing, because otherwise I couldn't go, because obviously this weather, because it's very hot over here.
I would like to introduce new launch of Royal Enfield Hunter 350. So I would like to request Mr. Indranil Dhar and Mr. Saibal Gupta on the stage to unveil the motorcycle. Please.
So this is the meter console of Hunter 350, which is exactly like Meteor. On top you can see this is the toggle switch, this is the pass switch and also upper tipper, this is the indicator, below that this is the horn. The other hand you can see integrated ignition switch plus self-start button, below that this is the hazard light button. So finally Royal Enfield launched its much awaited motorcycle, that is the Royal Enfield Hunter 350. You can get a hint that this motorcycle is having the same engine from Royal Enfield Meteor 350, but obviously the riding posture is a little bit different. What I observed that the footrest are a little bit center side, so that you will get a little bit commanding position while you are riding this motorcycle. And moreover, Royal Enfield is having so many color variants that even you will get confused at which one you will go with. So that's all I can say about. Actually, I'm not supposed to reveal the riding review of this particular motorcycle, though I have ridden due to some policy and all that stuff. But yes, after 10th of August, I can do that. I'll try my best to give the video as early as possible, but not before 10th of August because of the company policy. So that's all from my end, guys. So if you want to know more about this motorcycle and if you want to know the riding review of this motorcycle, so please subscribe my channel, that is the Bangalore in Bong, and hit the bell icon so that you will get the earliest notification. And please share with this video with your friends or family member, those who are looking for a motorcycle which is Hunter 350. And that's all from my end, guys. So I have to take a sweet alvida. Till then, take care, bye bye, and have blast.